Hello everyone, my name is Sultana and I'm currently working as a product owner at Accenture. As a product owner, my day-to-day activities include a lot of discussion with our stakeholders, our customers, trying to understand their needs, what is the pain point that they have and what is that they're trying to achieve. Being part of the telecom industry, currently we are working on an existing product and adding on to the features which will enhance and try to solve a lot of problems to our end users, I would like to say. My journey into product management started with an interest in trying to connect with customers and understanding their needs. As a developer, I enjoyed building codes and ensuring smooth deliveries. But I very soon realized that I was more interested in understanding the why behind what we were building and not just the how part of it. And product management gave me an opportunity to bring all of this together, whether it was understanding the customer journey or understanding the business objectives or the team execution. It was all knit together into a strong, impactful journey. So at IPL, the first and foremost thing I resonate a lot is the hands-on learning approach. Here we come up with our own idea, work on it right from the scratch, where we go out, talk to the people, try to understand the problem statement that we came up with is just an assumption or is actually a problem that the people are facing. And coming to the next point, we are guided and mentored by faculty who are actually the industry practitioners who come help us with the real-time insights. And the third is that this program includes certain skills which is way beyond product management. This includes storytelling, conflict management and many more, which helps you not only grow as a product leader but also as a person. So before I say what I enjoy the most about IPL, I want to give a little background of how I happened to step across IPL's journey. So I was actually trying to learn the various product management concepts through the online resources, and I very soon realized that they were vast, scattered and very daunting. I continued my research and it went on for almost a year. That's when I came across a mid-career transition workshop that was conducted by Professor Pinkesh Shah. And during that workshop, he used an analogy which went something like, don't spend too much time building your bed that you no longer want to sleep in it. That was like a wake-up call for me. After that, I went ahead, I had almost a 20 minutes long discussion with Professor Shah, and he helped me realize if actually product management is a really good fit for me or not. It started with questions like, why product management? Is it because it's the buzzword around you? Is that the reason you want to take up product management? Or what is actually pulling you towards product management, right? So that discussion made me realize that yes, product management is actually what I want to do going ahead in my career. So for me, working in a project that we had chosen as part of our first semester was, first of all, I enjoyed the part of it where we were working with people who were from different backgrounds. Initially, when we built up the team, we did not know each other. We chose the team members, we became a part of a certain team based on the common interest that we had. But later on, we realized that yes, you have to learn how to manage that conflict, bring in your negotiation skills that you actually learned during the class to reach the common goal that you have. So this makes it a learning experience that you not only use within your learning program but also in your personal life and in your career as well. So before I give my advice to the aspiring product leaders, I would like to share something which Professor Sai usually brings up during our class. He says that as a product leader, you are a chef and you have your set of knives. But even though you have set available with you, you cannot use everything at once. But you should be very well aware when to use which one. So as a product leader in IPL, you will be given those skills where you work on it, you build on it. And as your journey in the career, you will know very well when to use which skill. So this was one of the learnings you take from here. And I would like to say that whether you have already started your journey or you are still exploring product management, start with a mindset of continuous learning. Be curious, don't be afraid to experiment, and surround yourselves with mentors who can guide you, who can coach you. And again, as Professor Sai says, Product management, product leadership is not a destination, it is a journey, and you learn every step of the way.